Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for spending your time with us. Today we are crafting bowls of mac and cheese, similar to those seen in American Girl's new Get Outside camper playset. Serve your dolls this tasty camp classic, perfect for eating under the stars. Then wash up your faux granite bowls, ready for another meal. If you enjoy this craft, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For the camping bowls, we have this packet of plastic Easter eggs bought on clearance at Woolworths. Open the shell and snip the egg segments apart. You want just the lower rounded piece. To better fit an 18-inch doll scale, trim off the top centimetre. When cutting circular objects like this, we recommend using bottlenose scissors. We bought ours from Daiso. They were inexpensive and have lasted many years. Next, draw a circle slightly larger in diameter than the egg base onto the back side of contact release paper, wax paper or baking paper. Place your egg face down on the shiny side. We are going to add a rim to our bowl. Gently push the nozzle of the hot glue gun up against the edge of the egg to draw a thin line of glue around the circumference. Once the glue has cooled and dried, peel your bowl off the paper. If needed, trim away any excess glue for a smooth, neat lip. Repeat the steps to make another bowl, then paint your colour of choice. We went with red and blue to match AG's colour scheme from the camper playset. Now let's add the distinctive graniteware speckles. Mix white paint with a few mists of water to thin the consistency. With a stiff bristled brush, scoop up some mixture and flick it over top the bowls. The closer you get, the bigger the splatter, so have fun experimenting. Try not to touch the bowls until the paint has fully dried. Now for the mac and cheese. We've previously made a quick and easy dish of macaroni cheese that included individual doll portions. You can click the card top right or follow the link in the description box to watch. But for this version, we want to up the realism by sculpting the noodles from orange air dry clay. First, drape your bowl with a piece of cling wrap, then press in a ball of clay. Shape the clay to form a subtle dome on top. Now, take more orange clay and roll it out into a thin, long log. Cut the log into smaller 1 centimetre pieces. With a dotting tool or similar metal or plastic tool, wrap the clay around the cylinder to make the C shape of an elbow noodle. Next, press the ball of the tool into each end to mimic the openings in a macaroni noodle. Make lots more and set them aside to dry out. For the cheesy sauce, mix equal parts clear glue and orange paint. Apply it generously over the surface of the clay dome. Then begin placing your individual noodles. We found it easiest to work from the centre out, placing the noodles in different directions for an organic, random look. Aim to pack them tightly together as you cover the surface area. Paint more sauce mix over the noodles. This will help fill any small gaps and join the individual noodles together. Release the clay from the bowl and set aside to completely dry. Excellent! You now have perfectly sized servings of mac and cheese to place in your faux graniteware bowls. Thanks again for stopping by. We hope you have enjoyed our camping themed DIYs and come back soon for more miniature crafting fun!